During today's video, we are excited to share many essential travel items and a few you're better off without when traveling abroad. Plus, this video will include some life hacks and tips that might just change your travel game. After much research, we are pleased to share how to pack efficiently, save space, and ensure travel is joyful and stress-free. Some of these hacks and tips are not so obvious. Don't worry, we have you covered. So, ready to depart? Let's take off. The first thing in travel is luggage. Whenever possible, your go-to should be a carry-on backpack or small luggage only. Avoiding checked luggage is key. It's not just about saving on checked luggage fees, it's more about enjoying the freedom of movement and being more flexible. This way, you also avoid the wait for checked bags and eliminate the stress of lost luggage. For this, we suggest a flight-approved, spacious backpack. Look for one with plenty of pockets and packing cubes to stay organized, plus an expandable option for extra items for essentials such as your passport, phone, and boarding pass. A waist bag is perfect to keep everything accessible. Airlines typically don't weigh waist bags at check-in. You're usually allowed one carry-on and one personal item like a purse or a laptop bag. So you may have a backpack, a waist bag, and one more bag. A good choice could be a bag that fits a laptop plus a tablet with space for personal items like earbuds, power bank, chargers, snacks, medicine, and more. Now onto the must-haves on every journey: passport and visas. Carry your passport without a cover to speed through border control. Make sure your visas are valid for the entire journey. Smartphone with a good camera. Check roaming tariffs for your destination. If they're high, consider a portable Wi-Fi hotspot or an international travel SIM card. Another option is buying a local SIM card at the airport upon arrival. A slim wallet. Ditch the bulky wallet filled with things you won't need. Go for a slim wallet when traveling. Here's a smart trick. Always carry your business card in your wallet. If you lose your wallet, a person who finds it will have an easier time returning the wallet with all its money and documents intact. If you don't have a business card, just write your name and contact info on paper and place it in your wallet. Credit and debit cards before you travel. Inform your bank to prevent security blocks on your cards. There's nothing more disheartening than a declined card abroad. Printed itinerary after finding yourself in new countries without the internet and struggling to find my hotel. Always carry printed addresses, phone numbers of your accommodations, your driver's license in case you're going to rent a car. Your travel insurance offers peace of mind and valuable when you're away from home. Always carry local currency so you can grab a meal or a train ticket upon arrival, as cards aren't accepted everywhere. And don't forget a pen. It can be helpful for filling out arrival forms when asked by an immigration officer. The next section is crucial for your trip, and this is snacks. Snacks are not just food. They're your travel lifelines. Homemade sandwiches are a top pick for many, saving money and steering clear of less healthy airport options. If you can, always pack high-protein, low-carb bars, ideal for post-workout or mid-flight cravings. Dried fruits and veggies, like baby carrots and a mix of nuts if you're not allergic, are great for snacking. Remember electrolytes to stay hydrated and bubblegum to ease ear pressure on flights. A quick tip: skip the chips. They're mostly air and not worth the space. Moving on to travel comfort. Finding a good inflatable travel pillow will totally change your sleep game. They are extremely valuable for frequent and infrequent flyers. Don't overpay for bulky or fancy versions. Inflatable pillows are the real deal. They're compact, easy to clean, and budget-friendly. They've transformed the rest experience of many on planes, trains, and buses. It's a must-have for travelers. Without a doubt, an eye mask guarantees restful sleep even under bright lights. Choose one that puts no pressure on the eyes and eyelashes. Foam earplugs are perfect for silencing any unwanted noise, whether it's from snoring neighbors or the engine's hum. Don't forget your refillable water bottle. Do your part to reduce plastic use and save money on overpriced airport water. Opt for a durable, foldable bottle to save space in your luggage. Clothing: what to wear and what to avoid. Compression socks, perfect for preventing swelling and discomfort on long flights. Cabin slippers: select foldable ones that come with a separate bag for convenience. Be sure to pack sunglasses. A great option to choose is the classic aviator style for its shape and travel vibe. We all need a good hat. The capper hat. Pick a soft, foldable option that easily fits into your luggage. When it comes to clothing, understanding what not to pack is as important as knowing what to pack. First off, leave jewelry at home to sidestep the risk of losing it. There are plenty of stylish yet affordable alternatives out there. Next, skip packing blankets. A hoodie or an extra layer works just fine for the cabin. Plus, airlines often provide blankets. Lastly, forget the umbrella to save space. Replace it with a lightweight raincoat or poncho. Avoid dictating your wardrobe choices because so much depends on your destination, the purpose of your trip, and how long you'll be staying. Choose versatile, layerable clothing that can adjust to different situations and weather conditions. Keep in mind, most places have laundry services so you can wear items more than once. Overall, the strategy is to pack smart, which lets you travel with just one backpack, even on 2-week trips. The cornerstone of this packing philosophy is that one will definitely need this rule complemented by the principle of avoiding those just-in-case items. Remember, every item in your pack is a choice between necessity and burden. Only pack items you're certain you will use. Don't overpack and avoid the just-in-case trap to keep your luggage light and easy to handle. Let's say you're debating whether to pack workout clothes. The real question is whether you truly plan to hit the gym on your trip, or if it's a just-in-case thought. If you're certain you'll use them, then go ahead and pack them. Otherwise, it's best to leave them and any just-in-case items at home. This goes for hiking shoes, a dinner dress, and anything else you're contemplating. Simply to put it, if you're unsure about packing something, leave it behind, unless you're certain it will be used. Following this packing strategy not only lightens your baggage, but also makes decision-making easier while traveling. These simple rules can significantly reduce stress, save energy, and cut costs. Do you see the same way? Let me know if you agree or if you have a different take on it in the comments below. Here are more tips for saving and organizing space in your luggage. Avoid packing paper books and magazines. Although books are wonderful, they're heavy and occupy a lot of space. Instead, download digital content like ebooks, movies, music, and offline games to stay entertained. As mentioned before, avoid bulky, filled travel pillows. It's always a hassle figuring out where to put them. Utilize Ziploc or vacuum bags to organize your belongings and compress clothes to save valuable space in your luggage. Safety essentials. First, ensure you have printed copies of important documents. Store them separately from the originals to safeguard against loss or theft. Emergency cash. It's smart to have some stashed away for unexpected situations and keep it in hidden compartments. I don't carry all my money around and avoid leaving it in easily accessible places like a backpack, pocket, or wallet. Be wary of hotel-provided safes since staff can open them. Instead, use a disguise pack of gum or tissues to increase item safety. Luggage. Lockpick 4 or 5-digit combination locks rather than keys to sidestep the hassle of lost keys. Avoid using the high-tech fingerprint locks that come with mobile apps, and also avoid locks marked as TSA approved. This label indicates that airport security personnel, and potentially anyone with a TSA master key, can easily unlock them in a flash. Hygiene and toiletries. Bring along your regular cosmetics, medication, and toiletries, but keep your luggage light. Swap out large bottles for compact versions to save space. They're both airport and travel-friendly, face and body wipes for quick refreshes, hand sanitizer, pocket tissues, lip balm, and face moisturizer to combat dry cabin air. Try a compact oral hygiene solution, a 3-in-1 travel kit featuring a toothbrush, toothpaste, and mouthwash, a pack of solid hygiene bars to avoid liquid restrictions and save space. Medicine. Melatonin can also be helpful. It will help you sleep well and adjust to new time zones more easily, reducing your jet lag. Motion sickness pills. Use them on airplanes, boats, and sometimes in cars or buses. The travel pill box, specifically designed for journeys, simplifies medication storage. Instead of carrying bulky medicine boxes, fill this travel box with the pills you need, labeling them with stickers for quick identification. We've reached our favorite section of the checklist, electronics. Noise-reducing headphones are a must-have. Be sure to choose compact earbuds instead of bulky, over-the-head headphones to conserve space. Active noise cancellation is key for minimizing surrounding noise. For those who sleep with earbuds and are concerned about them falling out, A simple life hack is to wear a headband to keep them securely in place. Power bank. Choose one that includes a wall plug and built-in cables for flexible charging possibilities. It serves as both a traditional charger and an external power bank. No matter what laptop you use, a slim Bluetooth mouse designed for travel can save space. A quiet model won't disturb anyone, making it perfect for airplane use during travel. Electric shavers are crucial for hygiene. Be sure to seek out minimalist models that are specially designed for travelers. A key travel accessory is a car phone mount, invaluable for navigation in a rental car. Also take a compact phone charger equipped with both USB and USB-C ports. For those renting a scooter or bike, a handlebar phone holder is essential. It keeps your map route in clear view, ensuring you stay on track. And finally, this is a big one, travel adapters. Avoid the super universal adapters, as they're bulky and only support one outlet at a time. Instead, pack small, country-specific adapters to keep your devices charged efficiently and without the bulk. With all these essentials, you're not just prepared, you're set for an adventure with ease and style. In wrapping up this extensive but helpful travel checklist, it's crucial to acknowledge that while the tangible items we pack can greatly enhance our travel experience, the intangible qualities we carry with us, curiosity, adaptability, and open mind, are equally vital. Be prepared to learn from the world around you, and you'll find yourself effortlessly navigating airports, exploring cities, and creating memories without the weight of the world on your shoulders. Travel is more than just visiting new places. It's about personal growth and gaining experience. Each journey helps us learn more about ourselves and the world. Embrace your adventurous spirit and stay open to new experiences. Wishing you safe, enriching, and life-changing travels in the future. Thanks for sticking with us to the end. We really hope you enjoyed the video and found something helpful for your upcoming travels. Please share this video with your friends. If you found this checklist useful, for more travel insights, feel free to explore other videos on this channel. Happy travels! Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our travel channel.